Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. If you own a dual SIM smartphone, you can set up a secondary WhatsApp account right on your primary device using the Dual Apps feature. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Select Dual Apps, then tap on Create if necessary. Choose WhatsApp from the list of apps. Toggle Dual Apps and wait for the process to complete. Tap the Turn On button if prompted. Head back to the home screen. You will now see two icons for WhatsApp on the same phone. Sign in to the second WhatsApp app, set it up normally, and you're ready to go. That's it. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell icon to be the first to know about our new videos.